Hello! In this video we're going to talk about how to use a Gantt chart maker in an Excel template. All you have to do is input your data into this database section, and once you do that you will be able to display your Gantt chart in this section. So let's give an example. Once you enter the start date and the end date, you will be able to automatically see the work days. If you would like to change the color of the Gantt chart, you can set it from the drop-down list. You can also choose the task progress from the drop-down list as well. You can also set the timeline start date in here. All you have to do is enter the date that you want. You can also display the week that you want from here. All you have to do is display the number of the week that you want. So, like this. If there are special holidays between these days, you can input that date from here. And once you do that, it is going to exclude it from the work days. I hope this video was informative enough. Thanks for watching.